Unlocking the power of cauliflower. Transform your health. Hey there, curious minds. Get ready to dive into a world of health wonders. In today's video, we're cracking open the secrets of a humble veggie that's been hiding in plain sight. Brace yourselves, because we're about to reveal the astonishing benefits and life-changing transformations that cauliflower can bring to your health. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the power of cauliflower, a true game-changer. Let's get started on this incredible journey together. Keep watching, it's going to be mind-blowing. Did you know that cauliflower is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that can boost your health and well-being? Yup, this remarkable vegetable is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body. From reducing inflammation to boosting your immune system, cauliflower is doing it all. But wait, there's more. Cauliflower is also a weight loss champion. Its low-calorie content and high-fiber content can keep you feeling full, curb your cravings, and help shed those unwanted pounds. Say goodbye to the scale struggles, and hello to a healthier you. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful content so that I can post more useful contents to you and give like to this content. And that's not all cauliflower has to offer. It's a versatile veggie that can be transformed into a myriad of dishes. Cauliflower rice, cauliflower pizza crust, cauliflower mashed potatoes, you name it. With cauliflower, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. It's time to unlock its potential and transform your health, one delicious recipe at a time. Thanks for joining us on this cauliflower adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting health tips and tricks. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and unlocking the power of cauliflower.